Hey Katie, why does your hair look so good lately?
Oh, you noticed?
I did.
It's because I have been using a long and strong shampoo recipe.
Oh, okay, you should share it with me.
I'd love to.
All right.
For this recipe, you are going to need a toxin-free shampoo base, like the one that came in this month's recipe box.
Okay.
You're also going to need rosemary essential oil, 2 drops of that, and 1 drop of spearmint essential oils. These are really energizing essential oils that also help with your hair growth and stimulate your scalp for healthy hair.
And make it nice and shiny.
So this recipe is super easy to make. All you need to do is open up your shampoo base and add the essential oils, which I will leave to you.
All right.
I really like the way this smells.
Yeah, I do too.
And when I use it in the morning, it wakes me up. So you want to shake it so that the oil gets incorporated into all of the shampoo. You want to shake it pretty vigorously for at least 30 seconds. Longer is better.
Good.
Until it's all mixed in, yep. And then you'll use it like you would normal shampoo.
All right.
So don't forget to label it so you know what's in it, and you're gonna love it, and you'll have a beautiful mane of hair.
All right. How long do you think this bottle will last?
A couple of weeks.
Okay.
Depends on
Just curious.
Depends on how much shampoo you use normally.
Right. And how long your hair is.
Yes. Yeah, so that's how you make long and strong shampoo. Thanks for watching. To get more videos like this one, head to blog.simplyearth.com, where we have a whole library full of toxin-free recipes like this.
There's a lot on there. And make sure while you're there, you go ahead and subscribe to our box, and you'll also get one of our big bonus boxes.
I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We love teaching people how to use essential oils to make their homes toxin-free.
Thanks for tuning in.
So don't forget to label it like this.